Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajat Pandya. I'm the co-founder and CEO at FaunaTech. We are a biotechnology expert and agri-diagnostics company building a portable device to test for animal health and test for food quality early at the farm gate, save money for the farmers, and improve health on the planet. How safe is our food? Perishable foods like milk, fish, meat, poultry, and grains suffer from a high risk of contamination. What if we could simply use a rapid point-of-care diagnostic platform to test for food quality, safety, and traceability right at the farm gate, and enabling the farmers and the producers to test for the quality and supply us with the best in quality and safe produce to our tables? Introducing Fauna, a novel smartphone-based handheld diagnostic platform for early detection of critical diseases, monitoring animal health, cattle health, and testing for milk and food quality at the farm gate, and in turn reducing the antibiotic usage in the supply chain. Fauna is our proprietary sensing technology that supports dry chemistries, lateral flow test, and direct cell measurements, and is expandable to 25 plus biomarkers. We have a very high accuracy against the lab level benchtop models, and it's 10x cheaper to the best in class point of care devices and also the lab level benchtop models like DeLaval cell counter and FOSS. We have a very strong IP, which is held across strip chemistries, the hardware, and also the algorithm which we use to run the test on the smartphone application. Why dairy? We're addressing one of the biggest problems in the dairy sector called mastitis. It is an udder infection in milch cattle that infects almost 30% of milch cows and buffaloes globally. And it's one of the biggest reasons for decrease in production, decrease in quality, and animal health at the farm for the farmers. By using our technology, we've seen early detection of mastitis, which has helped decrease the mastitis cases by almost 55%. And we've seen an increase in milk production by 22%, and also increase in the quality of milk coming in the supply chain. Overall, our technology, by use of our technology, we've seen almost $200 of saving per animal for the farmer right at the farm. Not only that, we've also seen substantial decrease in antibiotic residue because we are able to test mastitis at a subclinical stage. We've launched our technology and product in India, which is one of the biggest dairy market in the world. And we're addressing a total dairy market size of $3 billion globally. India is home to 16 million farmers and 80 million milch animals. And globally, we have about 270 million milch animals in the dairy sector. And this is a snippet of how our technology is being used at the farm gate, where we use a very simple strip-based technology, which goes in our hardware device. We plug it in over here using plain milk. We dip it in the milk and then insert in the device. And we use our application and the algorithm on the mobile application to read the strips accurately and get test results on the device accurately. Not only that, the test results are then synced with the cloud dashboard. So if you're testing for any animal at the farm, say 100 miles away, 50 miles away, you'll still be able to see the results in real time in your dashboard, on a dashboard in your headquarters. We've commercially launched in India, and now we're working with some of the biggest names in the dairy sector, like Nestle, Nandini, KMF, and Gyan Dairy. And we've achieved revenue of $80,000 for our current financial year. We have a very straight business model where we are selling the devices directly to the dairy milk union, dairy multinational brands, private dairy brands, and dairy tech companies, where the device is a one-time purchase and the recurring revenue model is on the test panel, which is priced between $1 to $2. We are positioned to scale to 2 million farmers and reach a revenue of 6 million in ARR in the next 2 to 3 years. We've validated our technology with some of the biggest names in the dairy sector in India, Amul ADA and Bamul KMF, and we've seen a very high accuracy of 0.88 R-square against the Delaval cell counter, which is the gold standard. Also a specificity and sensitivity of 93 and 94%. Dairy is just the beginning, and we have launched in India, and we're looking at a very large market in agri-diagnostics of $15+ billion, starting with milk, and then adding new biomarkers for fish, meat, poultry, and grains. After our launch in India, we're now soon starting our pilots in Israel, Italy, and Japan with partners like Parmalat, Armenta, Marubeni. We're also in early discussions with Urus and Fibro here in US for developing key biomarkers. VASAT is just the beginning, and we're adding key important biomarkers in the dairy sector like LDH, antibiotic residue, and not only dairy, but then also adding histamine for fish, E. coli for meat, aflatoxins and mycotoxins for grains. So building a large menu of biomarkers on the same platform. What brings us to New York? We need to be part of a global ecosystem to succeed globally. And that's where we feel that the Grow New York region provides us the best opportunity to launch our product commercially, not only commercially, but also add new biomarkers on the R&D side, especially in the agri-tech sector, and work on key biomarkers like aflatoxins and mycotoxins with Cornell's R&D ecosystem, and then add manufacturing setup and partner with strategics locally in the region to set up our manufacturing for the strip and devices. To achieve that vision, we plan to launch in the Grow New York region using the funds, not only just for business development and commercial expansion, but also add for new R&D setup facility for adding new biomarkers, and then manufacturing for strip and devices as we move forward. And we're looking to grow here and provide employment to the local region, and also help ourselves and our company to grow globally. This is a split of how the funds will be used for achieving the commercial growth and also reach a target of 5 million in ARR by 2026. We have a very strong founding team with expertise in medical diagnostics, biomedical engineering, product development, business and operations. And we are backed by Beyond Next Ventures Japan, ACT Funder US, who have seed funded us for the initial round. We would like to join this exciting journey in the Grow New York region, expand our business on the commercial side, add new biomarkers on the R&D, and set up a facility to manufacture strips and devices, not only to provide jobs in the region, but also help us grow on the business side and make our food supply chain safe and secure. Thank you very much.
Great job.